that record. All right, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to Odin Chronicles episode 1. Nothing crazy going on here, just recapping what I did today, what I'm working on with Tic-Tac-Toe Project. Give a shout out to the guy who helped me on Discord today. And we'll discuss a little Chat-GPT at the end. It's nothing too crazy. Give us a little update how we did today. All I did today, didn't really do too much. I didn't really accomplish too much, but it did take me a while, that's for sure. Is get some text displayed here. So that determines whose turn it is. So when you enter a name here, like Alec, press start game, it's going to say it's Alec's turn, or player one's turn. That's basically all I did there. And then once player one makes their mark, which I'll be working on next, player one will make their X, and that's going to switch right here to say, player two's name, and it'll print it there. So that's basically all I did that there. The code, show it to you. So start game. Oop, I don't want to go down there. There we go. So start game, this little button here is wrapped in an event listener, as you can see here. So inside that, we're getting the value from the input fields, the name from here, 1 and 2. That's it there. And then we're passing those values to a factory function right here, which takes in a name and a mark and returns it as an object. And then we call our display controller module that handles all the display information. Separate from the game module, which is up here, handles all the game logic. So again, we're passing that through our display module, calling the print output function. We scroll down here, and here's our function, print output. So it grabs the class, or just grabs the output field from the HTML. I'll show you, it's right here. Just a div with the class. Put a class there so we can style it later on. I definitely need to style a little bit more. That's coming up. So then we're just adding some text content and using some template literal there to attach the player's name. So player A is an object. We gotta key into its name. So we just use .name and it'll print it right there, like that. Like I said, what I'm working on next is it's going to be player one's turn first. So player one is their mark is an X. So I'm going to work on when I click, it's going to mark my X there for me, and that's going to switch back and forth. Say, hey, it's the other person's turn. Make your mark, and it's going to go back and forth, update your data, and that'll display or check for a winner at the end. Did you get 3 in a row? And check all the winning combinations, and they'll display winner right where that text is there. And don't worry, I'll make sure to style that a little bit better. Just got that up and working. Took me a while, no doubt. So on Discord, I want to give a shout out to this guy here. I can't even pronounce his name, honestly. I'm sorry. But we started this thread 316 right there. And we finished pretty recently here, around 542. Okay, and yeah, this guy was awesome. Appreciate the heck out of this guy for helping me out. Achioto. Achioto? I don't know, man. I can't pronounce your name, but you're awesome. So that's that. Finish up with the video discussing a little Chat-GPT. I know that's a lot of people have been talking about it. A lot of people making videos about it. People discussing the Discord server here. Honestly, I'm going to keep doing my research more and more. From just what I've seen so far, yeah, I mean, it's definitely something that we need to keep an eye on. It definitely raises some questions and definitely raises some red flags, like for me personally. I wouldn't want that thing to get too out of hand. It just who knows like how advanced it will be in the years to come. But with Chat-GPT, I don't think it'll replace developer jobs anytime soon. Because honestly, to use Chat-GPT and understand the output that it gives back to you, you still have to understand programming and code. I know a lot of other developers who have a lot more experience, have been around for a few decades, or just have a lot of work experience. Mentioned that there were always things that came along that people thought would replace developer jobs, whether it be this or that. Now, ChatGPT can be something totally different, and we really don't know how it could be years down the line. But for right now, I don't think it's replacing developer jobs anytime soon. It could very well be a valuable tool, and some people have stated that already, that they get a lot out of it. When they can't find anything on Google or Stack Overflow and they just really hit a wall, ChatGPT can be a very good resource for them. So all in all, to reiterate, I don't think it's going to be replacing developer jobs anytime soon. I think we should, as developers, we should definitely know it. I don't think we should be relying on it too much now. I see people in Discord and even online who have built like whole projects using Chat-GPT. I mean, do you? That's what you want to do. You can do your own thing. And I've seen people on the Odin project using Chat-GPT to complete their projects. Like, I don't think that's good at all because, like, what are you even really learning from that? Honestly, I wouldn't want to rely on too heavily on Chat-GPT right about now while I'm learning. I want to develop those problem-solving skills and building that engineering mindset. So I really don't want to rely on it too heavily now. But absolutely, down the line, it can be a very useful tool. So that's about it. I don't think it's going to replace developer jobs anytime soon, but I'm definitely keeping my eye out for it and noticing the latest trends. And me personally, I'm not going to be using it anytime soon. I want to develop my problem solving skills and develop my engineering mindset. I want to make sure I'm learning as much as I can without relying on that. So that's basically it. Make another video tomorrow updating how I'm going through Tic-Tac-Toe project. I'm moving through it very, very slow. This is all I accomplished today was getting that text to appear right there. I'll try and do a little bit more tonight, but yeah, tomorrow I'll be all about how do I add that X to my board. So that's about it, guys. All right. Stay tuned. Peace.